Okay, so this is my 2005 PT Cruiser. I'm not for sure what is wrong with it. I know for a fact it needed a new battery. So I put a battery in. Now I'm not for sure because I see a lot of posts about fuel pumps and ignition and starter. I think it's a starter. So whenever I crank it, this is what comes up: engine light, oil light, mileage, brake light, seatbelt. This is me turning it off. Okay, can't hear nothing. Nothing works. That's when I pop my key in. That's when I turn it. And that's what I get. I don't know if you heard it, but it sounded like a, like something's trying to move into place. Do it again. Nothing. And I'm literally trying. I'm trying. Alright, is there anybody out there that can help me? Because I don't know what to do, and obviously it won't move, so I can't take it nowhere unless I get... And see, now it's blinking. It wasn't doing that before. I don't know why it's blinking, but it's blinking. I don't know what to do. Is there anybody out there that can help me? Because I'm not for sure how the hell this is supposed to work, but yeah, I'm frustrated and pissed off and mad. Okay, well, somebody please comment. Please comment. All right.